Why Fubo TV looks more and more bullish. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Guys, in today's video, we're going to be discussing Fubo TV, ticker symbol FUBO. Now, this is a company that we're really heavily invested in the company. We have about 1,300 shares now between all of our accounts. And the reason why we're so bullish on this company is because they offer two things that we think are going to be very big in the future. One of them is obviously streaming services like Netflix, like Roku, like these companies that are coming along, Disney TV. But the second thing as well is one of our top sectors of this year, which I think is going to be worth a lot in the future, is online gambling. So Fubo TV is basically putting both of them together and making one, making that their strong suit. A link below on the description below with more information on Fubo TV and other videos that we put out. Okay, so if you want more information on the company, just go ahead and click on that video. With that, guys, just wanted to touch over what we did with Fubo TV and what we're doing, and as well just touch on their earnings report a bit. Fubo TV delivered record 119 million in revenue, grew total subscribers to 590,000 in the first quarter, guys, of 2021. Okay, that's only in the first quarter, but the important part here is that they delivered a record 119 million in revenue. This is a company that's barely getting started right now. As long as the sport's going to be around, and as long as there's going to be gambling involved in that, I believe that Fubo TV is going to be a company that's going to continue to grow with the years. And I really honestly think that this is going to be $100 stock, because at some point, okay, it may not be today, it may not be tomorrow, but I've been buying Fubo and I haven't stopped buying. And a few days ago it went down all the way to like 14-15 bucks, and I bought some there as well. Okay, and I'm going to touch a little bit more on this earnings here. I'm just going to read a little bit off here before we get into what we're going to be doing, or what we already did. Live TV streaming platforms also increased ad revenue 206% to 12.6 million year over year. So their ad revenue also went up, not 100%, guys, 206%. Okay, 12.6 million year over year growth. Okay, so you can imagine if you start putting numbers together and what they're predicting that's going to happen in the future. If that happens, guys, this company here is easily going to be $100 company. Okay, just wanted to touch their earnings a little bit and just give you an idea of what they're doing and what their future is going to be like as we go further along. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion on what I think is going to happen in the next 5 to 10 years with this company. Okay, going back to what we did with Fubo. Now, we all know that because of this earnings report, Fubo TV went up. But given the circumstances in the current market, guys, the way things are trading right now, we're smart with our money. Okay, sold Fubo calls on Fubo because I knew that it was going to open up high. So just to give you an idea, okay, just for example, these are just some of the calls, because we have different calls that we sold in different accounts. But for example, we did, as soon as market opened, we sold a call on Fubo on 6/11 expiry date. We sold a call on Fubo 6/11 expiration date, and it was a $25 call. Now, we got to be honest with ourselves and think about this in a business sense, that we're foreseeing that we don't think that Fubo will reach $25 by 6/11. Okay, I don't think it's going to reach it, just because in the market we're in, everybody's a little shaky right now. They're afraid on buying, selling stuff. Tech is selling off, so it's been consistent like this for the past 2-3 months. So we're making a business decision where we're saying that it's not going to reach $25. Okay, and if it doesn't reach $25, we basically collected a premium. We did receive a premium on this sale here, which was total return today, as of today, was $100. This was the credit that we received in the morning, $218. Okay, we got a credit, and so far on this play for 2 calls on just on this one right here, we're up $100 the same day. Okay, so that's just being smart with our money. I'm thinking it's still going to continue to fall a little bit more, just because the market, the way it is, it's so shaky right now. It's just, everything seems like tech is just setting off. I think it's going to end up going back to the $16-17 range. I will be buying more, and I will be buying my calls back. That's just the way I'm thinking about it in a purely business decision, okay? But this is a big company that we're very bullish on. We're just trying to make money any which way that we can right now at the moment, okay? Just wanted to run across Fubo, give you the information on what happened with their earnings, which are great, awesome. They're on the right path. It's going to take a little bit of time with everything that's going on, but this is an opportunity to buy, guys. I'm going to be making a video on exactly the way people are thinking right now. They're selling their stuff. They're getting margin calls. Be greedy when others are fearful, guys. This is the time to buy, okay? Don't hesitate. With that, guys, if you found any of this information informative, please like and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you get the notifications on every video we put out. If you're not following us on Twitter at InvestingOG, make sure you follow us there, because we do give out a lot of plays. We let you know what we're doing. And if you want to follow along, just go ahead and follow us there, okay? With that, guys, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.